Hi, I'm Becca with Sunflower Summer Company, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these paper zinnias. If you like the template, you can get it at my website, sunflowersummerco.com. The link is in the description below. So let's get started. First, you want to cut out your template. You need 8 of the larger sizes and then 1 of each of the 3 smaller sizes. For all the petals, you're going to take your scissors and curl the petals down. Now that you have all your petals curled, you're going to take your shaping mat and ball and shape the center of the flower. So you want the curl of the petals to face down, and you want to shape the center. I do 3 with the larger ball, and then move to a smaller ball. With the last ones. Now that you have all the petals shaped, you're going to glue them together. So I like to flip the flower over, take the top one and remove the string from my hot glue gun, and then take the next petal, glue it in the center, and then alternate the petals and glue it together. So you want the petals, the bottom one's right here, and the one on the top is in between those. Repeat with all layers. The flower part done. So now you're going to take these 2 pieces and roll them together. So take a wire and glue, or not glue, just start rolling around the wire. It makes it easier to start rolling it up. And then glue it down. Then take this piece, glue it onto the bottom. So you want to make sure that the cuts are on top. So you want to glue this part to the bottom, so you can still fan out the little cuts. Glue it down. And then fan it out. look something like this. And glue it into the center of your flower. Now we're going to take this green piece and roll it to give it some shape. Shape the wire. You're going to bend it so it forms a circle, and then bend that part so it's 90 degrees. Insert the wire into the green flower, or the green paper. Add some glue. I like to add a lot of glue because this part is the part that likes to fall off if something's gonna fall off. Then glue it onto the back of the flower. And you have a zinnia.